Hello, minasan konnichiwa. This is Mimi, your freelancing partner from Taytay Rizal. Okay, so first thing is, diniscuss natin yung mga hardware na kailangan mo to start your freelancing career or journey. And again, binigay ko na yung mga specifications sa part na yun. Moving on to the next phase, this is the crucial part of starting your freelancing journey. Dito, mostly, nahihirapan yung mga magta-transition. So parang dito pa lang sa part na to, yung iba na umaayaw na or hindi na tinatry or ayaw nang itry, takot na silang i-continue yung gusto nilang simulan. Kasi dito yung parang fear of change. Ito yung part na yon. Identifying and finding your niche, your expertise, your skill, or services to offer if maging VA ka or freelancer. Discover your strength. Yun na pala yun. So, in finding your expertise or skill, discover your strength. Saan ka magaling?
Oh my God! Wow!
Ano yung alam mong gawin for now? So, just focus on the good things na kaya mong gawin. Of course, merong mga job requirements doon and yung mga kailangan meron ka. But your strength may come from your work experience. So, yung previous work mo, for example, if you came from a BPO company that usually handles customer support and meron ka ng advantage doon. Sobrang lawak niya. You might consider specializing customer support. Kailangan i-consider mo yung mga task na nag-excel ka or yung gusto mong pag-aralan and alam mo na magiging magaling ka doon. Like for example, pinag-nursing ka ng nanay mo, nag-excel ka doon. Pero gusto mo pala mag-engineering kasi alam mo na mas mag-excel ka doon. So, there is a fear of transitioning. Kailangan mong i-overcome yung fear na yun kasi hindi ka step forward. Change is constant, so huwag ka matakot sa changes. There are a lot of niche. So, ito yung parang branches. Hindi ako sure about dun, pero you need to be resourceful. At paulit-ulit kong sinasabi na kapag mag-freelance ka, kailangan resourceful kang tao. Use Google as your platform to know more and add to your knowledge. YouTube, follow creators that have freelancing, work from home job contents, and TikTok, Facebook. So, ibahin mo yung algorithm ng social media mo. Yung traffic. Ibahin mo yung search history mo. So, kung sa TikTok, puro live selling yung pinapanood mo, puro live selling ang lalabas sa algorithm ng social media mo. Number one, ibahin mo yung algorithm para bigyan ka ng social media ng mga bagay na makakatulong sa buhay. Hindi puro tayo check out. Charot. Sobrang dami ng skills to offer. You just need to identify what you can do. Yung mga kaya mong gawin ngayon, doon ka mag-focus. And then, unti-unti, step by step, magdagdag ka ng mga gusto mo pang malaman. Join ka sa mga group na makakatulong sa'yo. Freelancing, PA, job posting, work from home, mga gano'n. Ayun yung mga keywords. Dito mo na i-assess yung sarili mo sa part na to. Ito yung stepping stone mo para you further upskill or for skill enhancement. So, next topic, hindi ko pala kung anong isusunod ko. Ano pala ng identify your niche, saka expert in services to offer. Parang mag-branch out na to agad. Okay. Yun lang muna for now. Jenny!